that you may have observed that a multiple district chairperson attends a cabinet meeting like this. This is because we believe of the principle Lions Empowerment. Lions Empowerment. Di ba po? Lions Empowerment. Roar! Yes. Why? Because, fellow Lions, our theme for this Lion Year is rooted in service. I remember a parable which is applicable to our approach this Lion Year. A parable that says about a sower or a farmer. When seeds fell on the ground, when seeds fell on rocky soil, and when seeds fell on rich soil, there is always a difference on how that seed grows. Fellow Lions, when seeds fell on a pavement, surely birds will eat them. It will not have any chance to grow. When seeds fell on a rocky soil, it may grow for a certain time, but when there is a strong wind, when there is rain, typhoon, surely after few months of growth, it will die. But when seeds grow on rich soil, definitely that seed or those seeds will grow and will grow until it becomes old and bear fruits and flowers. You are here this afternoon because you are the farmers of your respective clubs. You are the farmers of your respective regions and zones, so that you are charged with the task of making sure that your seeds will grow. Your seeds are your members of your club. When you invite members to our great association, make sure that those seeds will grow. Prepare the soil. Enrich the soil. Don't just call for membership, then have them take their oath without even giving them what Lions are all about. Orient them. Tell them what's our organization all about. Tell them what we do in the community. Tell them who we are, so that you are preparing them to grow as old as the other Lions who are gathered. Because the moment you will not enrich them with principles, doctrines behind the motto we serve, tendency, 6 months after, 1 year after, that member will surely drop his membership. That new club charter will definitely be cancelled. Sayang ang ating effort. That is why today's training, today's kickoff is a way of preparing you as the farmers of this great association in this District 301C. They provided you under the leadership of Global Leadership Team, Nico, because he is directed by Lions Clubs International to organize this kind of event. This event is an opportunity for all of us to be enriched, to be fertilized with the things we owe to know. Without this opportunity, without this event, fellow Lions, I'm sure all your efforts will be jeopardized. Your district officers here serve as the managers of your farm, led by our district governor. He will make sure that all of us here, when we do and start planting our seeds, make sure the quality of the seed you are planting, the environment, the kind of soil, everything to be considered, the environment, so that when you plant it in the right time. Hindi tayo magpa-plant during dry season. Hindi din tayo magpa-plant during typhoon season. But we plant it in the right time. Just like all of us here, lalo na yung matagal-tagal na sa Lions, I am a 30-year-old Lion. I became a Lion 1996. Our club just celebrated 50 years, March of this year. 50 years ngayon. So definitely, we were a good seed planted 50 years ago. Kaya ngayon, fellow Lions, leaders of District Prison, I come and plead before you here to please learn all of the things that we have been discussing here. The global approaches and initiatives of our global action team, starting from the global leadership to global service. Alam niyo naman, we are very fortunate that the global service team is led by none other than our second Vice District Governor, Lion Edsel Abelia. Thank you very much, Caballero. Kita mo, lawyers are coming in. Ay, Your Honor. And fellow lawyers here, this is also the other side of serving Lions. When I became a Lion member in 1996, I was studying law. First year law student. Aside from studying law, I found law school to be so interesting because at that time, in political law, constitutional law, I learned the term social justice. So that when we help those who have less in life, we are applying the principle of social justice. Siguro hindi niyo alam karamihan yan. But aside from merely serving the people, you have accomplished a very noble cause. A cause that should have been with the legal profession to propagate and share. But you, being a Lion member, fulfilling our motto, we serve, we are also dispensing social justice to the community. And social justice means those who have less in life should be given more in law. Hindi baliktaran. Ano in law? Ito talaga kompanyero. Edsel said, those who have less in life should have more in-laws. Tingnan mo doon kung sino ang marami. Ordinary, alam mo, chismis na to, para mas madali. Alam mo, sa mga kaso namin, Anong sector ng community ang maraming violations of women and their children for failure to support for engaging in extramarital activity? Alam mo, mga taxi drivers, grab drivers. Grabe, sabi ko, naka-afford pa kayo? Sabi ng clinic, it's not a matter of afford, attorney. It's a matter of discount. Ibig sabihin, mas madiskarte sila kaysa akin. So that's how it should be, fellow Lions. We are the farmers again. This year's challenge is for us to raise 2,500 net gain members for multiple district 301 Philippines. This is the culminating year, meaning the last year of the Mission 1.5. But what is Mission 1.5? Mission 1.5 is an opportunity, a challenge for us to grow membership from the usual 1.4 million to 1.5 million. 20 years ago, ang sabi during induction, we belong to a great association with more than 1.4 million. Hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin ang naririnig ko pag mag-charging tayo. 1.4 million pa rin. Hindi ba tayo nag-grow? Pareho ba tayo ng safeguard? Hindi na mamatay yung 1%? Kasi 99% pa rin yung germs ang namamatay, di ba? Pag maghamit tayo. Yun pa rin ang nasa isip natin. Kailan tayo mag-grow? This year will make it happen. Our international president, Mark Lyon, baliktarin mo, Lyon Mark, ako yun. Lyon Mark, di ba? Ang president naman is Mark Lyon. So madali kami. I meant for this Don Ralph, meant para ako sa MD na to. Kasi ang president is Mark Lyon. Ang MD 301, chairperson is Lyon. So this year, it may be so ambitious. No batch of multiple district had reached this one because last year, they only have a growth of 157. So bakit 157 na? We have the same target, 2,400 plus sila. Ngayon, it's zeroed out to 2,500. I would like to share it with you. Why? What's the reason bakit hindi ma-reach yung 2,500? Because of the retention effect. Ano ba ang retention effect? Last year, one district from Mindanao, 2 years ago, nagdagdag ng 26 clubs. Grabe, impressive, 26 clubs. But what happened? After 2 years, 30 clubs ang nawala sa amin. Bawasan na. Negative 700. Di ba? At the end of Lion year, yung governor namin talagang nag-focus ng recruitment. At the end of the Lion year, negative 400. But that is still negative. Now, what is the reason? Because we are lawyers, we are always going for the reason. So what is the reason? The reason is found dito sa ating efforts sa retention. While district governors go for recruitment, increased membership, yet if there are clubs suffering from status quo, if there are members drop, walang mapomonitor sa retention. So, how valuable retention effort is? It is valuable because retention will give you the opportunity to grow. Because if you keep on increasing, your other pocket decreases, you may have a net gain only of few numbers. On the other hand, if you keep on increasing as our global membership team will exert efforts under our First Lady Lion Step, and our global extension team will also exert more efforts, but there is a team that also addresses on the retention, definitely hindi siya ma-offset. Ang nangyayari last 2 years, offsetting, nag-increase, nag-decrease by dropping. At the end of the year, few ang increase. So this Lion year, we are very fortunate that last year, our immediate past district governor surpassed her target. Let's give a round of applause to our immediate past district governor, Josephine Lea. Wow, thank you very much. Ang kanyang accomplishment is our baseline this Lion year. Anong ibig sabihin ng baseline? Hindi tayo dapat bababa sa kanyang figure. So this Lion year, our target for 301C is to create and charter 15 new clubs. 15. On membership, ang target natin is net gain of 605 as far as we are concerned. But for District 301C, gusto ng District Governor to be the most excellent District Governor ready for the award in the multiple district and international. Gusto niya 799 members. Ano na yan doon? Isang distrito eh. Sabi na nag-text sa akin, Chairman, 750 daw. 182. Yun ang kompetensya rin. Pero last year, don't you know, District 30182 nag-negative ng 80 plus. Whereas kayo, net gain kayo. Ilan yung net gain natin last year, no? 420. Net gain yan ang number 1. Anong award ang na-receive ko po? Saan mo na-receive?
International and in-attend.
Sa Hong Kong, binigay. Kaya pala hindi kita nakita. Pero as multiple district council chairman, our multiple district convention will be held in Mindanao. Please attend. Bakit? Rooted in service tayo. Lions Empowerment. I will dedicate and allocate much of the time of our multiple district convention in giving awards recognition to all our rooted in service. Lahat kayo, presidents, mga zone chairperson, region chairpersons, doon ibibigay ang award because I was touched by the theme of this Lion year kay District Governor Ralph. Mahalaga, mahal mo, alagaan mo, at pabigyan ng mahalaga. Ganon din, because in that multiple district convention, if you are receiving excellence award in your district level, on the multiple district level, where all Lions all over the country will be witnessing your success story and what you have done to this great country. Fellow Lions, why I am saying this? Global service is the showcase of our great association. In 1917, we are created for one simple underlying principle: to serve. That's why our motto is we serve. Therefore, in this Lion year, we are promoting the Lions Unified Service Day. And this will be implemented by our second Vice District Governor. Nandiyan naman ang pinakagwapo natin na Vice District Governor, Lion Edsel. Sabi niya, dami at ang trabaho dito. It's not difficult. Alam mo, sa mga lawyers, it's not difficult to serve. No? That's why nga kami, we are called talagang mga lawyers are sumusunod sa batas. Diba? Sumusunod sa gusto. Kaya kami, pag kita niyo, pag nakaupo ako dyan, nandyan yung asawa ko i-introduce ko. That's my wife, my lady, Janice Manting from Kita ninyo? Kasi sabi nila, the wife is always right. Yan ang natutunan ko. Yes, the wife is always right. And then alam mo kami, mag-asawa, we were classmates in the law school. Classmates kami. So, first year, nandiyan siya sa front ko. Pag nag-oral quiz, tayo, di ba? Parang eye contact, gano'n. So, dispute is normal sa atin. Di ba? So, you may have heard, ano ba itong lions? Magulo. Hindi yan magulo. We are just like that because lions tayo. Kita ka naman ng lions na pag may ganyan, hindi yan lions. Kaya kami, kahit na paano yan, di ba? Kaya ako pinili na chairman. Kasi ako ay lion. Diba? So ngayon, ang nangyari ganito. Sa aming bahay, puro kami graduate. Ang approach ko sa dispute resolution sa bahay namin. Ang mga minor decisions sa wife ko. So, pag minor decision sa wife, major decision, please do not show to them that really there's something. Because they will not, and sabihin nila, napakagulo para itong organisasyon na napasukan. That's why I try to endeavor, exert efforts. It's just a matter of telling them of how you will treat. So remember, major and minor decision. Thank you very much and a pleasure.